Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, this was something that happened way back in 2015 when Windows 10 was offered for free to all Windows 7 users. And of course, rumors started there was a lot of people thinking that Windows 10 was not going to stay free, that it would become a subscription-based operating system. And they're giving it for free because eventually we'll have to pay for it every year or every month. And of course, I made a lot of videos back then saying, nope, that's not going to happen. And still there were some skeptical people. And of course, it never did happen. And it couldn't happen anyways. There would not be a logic behind that in the consumer market. Enterprise already have a paid Windows subscription style. Enterprise pay license fees and pay for support and all sorts of things. Now I'm seeing more and more people with the same thing on Windows 11, saying, "Oh yeah, well Windows 11 is free now, but we're gonna get screwed because we're gonna have to pay for it as a subscription eventually." And once again, there's no such thing as that happening for Microsoft with Windows. It's not going to happen. I don't know where these rumors come from. I think some people just, want to try to simply be bad with Windows, and try to be negative about it and to, I don't know what they're trying to achieve, but rumors start fast and spread fast too. So in case you've seen it, and in case you've read it somewhere, nope, Windows 11 is not going to be a subscription-based operating system at all. Once again, on the PC, there would be no sense in doing that because people would not pay for a subscription to Windows. They might pay subscription for different things, for like Office, for example, but that's because people work with those tools. In the Windows side, that's an operating system that's running. Nobody charges, annual fees for their operating system. Windows already is paid for when you buy a new PC, first of all, because when you buy a new PC, you paid that Windows license in that PC. And for the rest that have updated their PC or upgraded from Windows 10 to Windows 11, they have so many ways that they actually can make money off of Windows that there's no logic in having a subscription. People would just go to something else. It would accelerate the departure of people from Windows to Chromebooks, for example. And that would be different. Or people would just move on and say, well, you know what, I got enough of this PC. I'm going to a tablet, or my smartphone is enough to do what I want to do. So no, Windows 11 will not be a subscription service for consumers. If you hear that or see that, correct them. Tell them, nope, it's not going to happen. Same rumor for some reason that happened way back 6 years ago with Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.